Jack, to me, epitomizes the best face of medicine and physicians. He sees the need, obviously, to care for his own practice, and in this case, his own medical group, but he also understands how important it is to give back to the community and help the less fortunate. That's what the safety net's about.
He's very caring. He's concerned about the welfare of other people, not just himself. He is into helping the community, and he just has a good heart.
I think that Jack personifies what I believe is a physician. He is a doctor first. He understands patients and their behavior. He has compassion for the poor.
I think he's a role model for all of us, and you know, how we can really take what we have and the blessings that we've been given and really try to extend those to others, whether they're members, our own members, or whether they're just members of our own community.
I put together a committee called the Future of the Safety Net in 2003 when I came back from the state legislature, and I got a grant from the California Healthcare Foundation to kind of get that started. And the purpose of it was to provide an opportunity for all of the providers in our county who provided any health care in the private sector and the public sector to come together to talk about what they were doing, how they were doing it, how we might help each other, and how we could take care of all of the people that we had to see. So I went to Dr. Rozance and I asked if he would participate. So he started coming and he got real involved, and he was very helpful to us, and came an opportunity that Kaiser provided to apply for a specialty health grant, and that was for us to help to plan how we could access specialists in the Kaiser system when an injured person needed to have a referral. And that has worked out very, very well, and that got the Kaiser physicians into helping and into seeing patients.
We have this free clinic that serves the underserved, the uninsured, or people who are basically poor in the Sacramento County. What Jack has done was support my fundraisers. Even financially, he would donate money and encourage his fellow physicians at the Morse Avenue campus to support my fundraisers as well.
Permanente has been forever really involved in reaching out to community organizations and vice versa for support, and they were just sort of a natural partner. In fact, Permanente is one of the partners of the Spirit Project along with the other health systems and the medical society. I think that he epitomizes what Permanente physicians are demonstrating, that the fact of willingness to give back. Permanente encourages its physicians to get involved. They actually make the time for them to do that. The fact that Jack does that, and a lot of other people inside Permanente Medical Group do that, is really a great thing. He's an excellent ambassador.
You know, he's someone who certainly has a heart for medicine, and someone who certainly has a heart for the community. And if there's anything you can say about Jack, it's that when he puts his mind to something, it'll be successful. And the work that he's done with the Don't Buy the Lie program, the work that he's done with Spirit, and really using our physicians and utilizing their talents in our community to help those that are less fortunate, I think really embodies the spirit of what Jack Rozance is all about.
Jack is irreplaceable, I think, but I'm just hoping that whoever replaces him will have the same passion as Jack does, because it really means a lot to us.
The remarkable thing about Jack is when Jack says, "Oh yeah, I know something," or "I know somebody." A lot of times people will say things like that. They'll leave the meeting and you'll never hear from them again. Nothing will ever happen. But when Jack says something like, "Yeah, I think I can help with that," boom, it's going to get done, you know it.
He has helped us, and I'm sure others, to access services that weren't available to us through Kaiser and through his leadership at Kaiser as the physician in charge. And I think that he will be missed at Kaiser.
If there's anything you can say about Jack Rozance, is that the guy knows how to throw a tailgate party, and that's always fun.
Jack is as consistent as a good piece of cake. He's just always Jack.